Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video we're gonna learn how to sign up for a public investing account. If you don't have a public investing account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up, and it will also give you a free stock for signing up using our affiliate link. Since we are doing this on a computer, the screens may be a little bit different. But you could enter our referral code when it asks for a referral code. Now, enter your phone number. Then click on the right arrow. So you will receive a confirmation code to the phone number you provided. Enter the confirmation code, then click on Next. Now, enter the following information. On the first field, enter your legal name. Make sure it matches the name on your driver's license, if you have any, for verification purposes. Then enter the username you wish to use on the second field. On the third field, enter a valid email address. Then create and enter a password on the last field. After that, click on Next. Now you could add a profile photo. If you don't wish to add a profile photo, click on Skip. After that, you can now claim your free stock. Select one from the options provided, then click on Continue. Now you need to submit your investing application to enable investing. To proceed, click on Next. First, it will ask for your birthday. Enter your birthday, then click on Next. Next, you will be asked if you're a U.S. citizen. Click on the option applicable to you. Then on this page, you need to answer two questions. First, select your marital status. Next, enter the number of dependents you have, if there's any. If none, click on the button that says I don't have any. After that, you will be asked about your employment status, whether you are employed, a student, unemployed, or retired. If you are employed, enter the company you're working for on the employee field, then enter your job title on the last field, and click on Next. Now there will be situations given. Click on the situation that applies to you. If none, click on the None of these options button. Then click on Next. After that, enter your permanent address, then click on Next. Then enter again your legal full name. Now enter your SSN or Social Security number. Then click on Next. After that, select your investment goals from the options provided. Click on the option you wish to select. Then you will be asked how much investing experience do you have. Click on the option applicable to you. Now select your yearly income. Then select your estimated net worth. After that, you will be asked about the total value of your cash and liquid investments. Click on the option applicable to you. Now you will be asked if you want to enable crypto trading. If you wish to, click on the I agree button. If you don't want to or you're undecided, click on Not Now. Now read the terms and conditions of public. After reading, click on the radio button. Then click on Next. So public needs to review your sign-up application. Once it is approved, you will receive an email on the email address you provided. And once your account is approved, the email you'll receive will look like this, that has a message saying that you are approved to invest. That's how you sign up for a public investing account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.